running backwards in the rain. Got my hand up for a taxi. I finally got her name. Then we slipped into the backseat. I whisper, are you okay? She nods her head with feeling, but I could see the pain, and I cannot explain how I am captivated by the way you look tonight. And I've seen what you've been into, so I will never cross the line. I won't tell you any lies. I was sent here for the rescue. I am captivated by